Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the failed to bind port error in Minecraft. This error usually happens when the port your Minecraft server is trying to use is already being used by another program or is configured incorrectly. First, just go ahead and close any other Minecraft server that may already be running on your computer. Running multiple servers on the same port can cause this error. Next, restart your computer to free any ports that may be stuck in background processes. After that, check which program is using the port. To do this, just go to your search menu and search for CMD and choose to run command prompt as an administrator. After that, in the command prompt, just go ahead and type the following command. Just type this command exactly and then hit enter. If you see a result, it means something is already using the port 25565. The number at the far right is the PID or process ID of the program that is using the port. To identify the program, just go ahead and press Control, Shift and Escape key on a keyboard to open the task manager, and here just go to the Details tab and you will see PID. And just go ahead and look for the matching PID. If it is another Minecraft or an application you do not need, just go ahead and close it and try restarting your server once again. Also, make sure your server is using the correct port. The default Minecraft server port is usually 25565. And if the port is already being used and cannot be freed, change the server port value to a different unused port and restart the server. Finally, start the server once again and test the connection. The simple rule is when two programs try to use the same port, Minecraft cannot start the server. Freeing the port or changing it usually fixes the problem. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft failed to bind port error by checking which program is using the port, closing conflicting application, and changing the server port if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.